This is an example of a text that has a background of an image. Without any further ado, let's start. Click on File and create a new document. I'm gonna give it a name with Hero, but you can put any name you want. And my size here is 19 by 12. My resolution is 300. We have an RGB color. The background is white. So hit OK. First, unlock the first layer, and then use your type tool, the text here, and start typing. Press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, and then click on the move tool here, and on the top you click here, and click this one, and your text is on the center. Next, click on select and then deselect to remove the selection. Then I'm gonna resize it. We will place an image, so click on File, click on Place, resize it, and then press Enter. And then right click on this layer and then choose Create Clipping Mask. And the picture is now the background of our text. So you just need to resize it so you can see the dog on the letter, or I mean on the text. Okay, that's it. Now, let's give a little more effect on our text. So click on this layer and then right click, then choose blending option. From here, you choose drop shadow, increase a little bit for the opacity, the distance, and the size. For spread also. And then for the stroke, for me, I'll give it 1 point. To make it more attractive, then right click, choose the blending option. Then from here, choose the gradient overlay. The style, let's choose radial. And then put a check on reverse. And then the scale, a little bit increase, but we can change the black one into something lighter. So click this one and then click this, then choose the color. For me, I'll choose like a gray, and that's a gray, this one, and then click OK. Then for the white, OK. It would be better if we are going to add some effects on our text. Click on our brush tool here on the, so click on the gear icon here, choose the last one, and then click OK. And we will use the number 50 for a brush, this one. Or before you use the brush, do not forget to rasterize our layer. But before that, let us duplicate this one as a backup. So press Ctrl and J button in your keyboard. Let's hide this one. This will serve as our backup. And so from here, right click and then choose rasterize type. From here, we can now use our brush. You can also adjust the lightness of the image on our text. Right click, we have to rasterize this layer. Click on image, we go to levels. I suggest give it a little light, just like that. And from the image again, adjustment, from the drop down menu, choose vibrance. That's it. There we go. If you want to use the previous image as a background, you can still use that. Just simply click on File, then click on Place, click or Enter. As you can see, it covers the whole thing that we just did. So for you to make it a background, just simply move this layer below our text here. We need to do some adjustment on the background that we just placed. And then right click, rasterize layer, simply click on filter, click on blur, and then choose the Gaussian blur. So putting an image as a background of your text. Now, if you have any suggestions or comments, or if you want another video for another tutorial, just leave your comment below.